Tugethi na mbere o ndereti-inĩ o President William Ruto nĩaugĩte atĩ thirikari yake ndĩgũkorwo ĩkĩnyita mbaru njũragano cia kĩũteti gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ ona thengia wa andũ matanyihĩire 19 kũragwo hĩndĩ ya mĩrũrũngano na angĩ kũnyitwo mĩgwate nĩ abithaa a borithi.
There will be an investigation on how these 19 Kenyans died. There will be a clarity, an explanation for each and every one of them. I have told you one situation where somebody accosted the police, took over the firearm, started to shoot at people, endangering the lives of many other Kenyans. He was shot by the police. There is a situation in Parliament. How did the invaders in Parliament? They invaded Parliament and went straight for the armory at the Mausoleum. They went straight at the armory at the Sergeant-at-Arms office. Those are the investigations that we will get into, and a proper explanation will be given to the country. As I have told you, we must operate within the parameters of the rule of law. And I agree with you. The police must never act outside the framework of the rule of law. They must do that which only the Constitution and the law allows them to do. And it is very clear that any operation of the police outside the parameters of the law, the police will be held to account. Whether it is holding citizens beyond the stipulated time, but I must be thoroughly clear to you. When police arrest somebody, there is a constitutional timeline which they are allowed by the law to hold that person.
24 hours.
That does not amount to an abduction.
24 hours.
In my opinion.